Hi everyone, welcome to Flower Factor. Today I'm going to show you a really cool design for outdoors, so you can place it on a table or your balcony or your garden. We're going to use the Hellebores, and this is a beautiful one called Frostkiss. Really intense color. We're going to start with making a base. I'm using cork. I already made some strips, just breaking it, and then you have the pieces you need. And we're going to start off at the bottom using hot glue. So as you can see, the base is covered. It works pretty quick, especially if we use the clamps like this. Now it's time to put our beautiful plants in, and later on we're going to adjust a little bit the flaps. Look at this, the roots. You can see this plant has a lot of strength and a lot of power. It's always nice to see. So plants are in. I'm going to add a few details with cork. And again, if you cannot find the material like this, we can use other materials like bark or felt. So I'm gluing a metal wire in between the cork. And the reason for that is that we can shape it. So we can create really cool movements. I let these two loose. And we're just going to carefully place them in between the plants. I'm going to add a simple extra detail. We're going to use raffia, and again we're going to use the metal wire, and basically we're just going to cover the wire with raffia. Of course we can do this with the drill, but every now and then doing it by hand is good to train yourself. It also goes pretty quick, and again we can shape them, we can bend them, and it's just to add some light color and movement. Last details are in. A really nice design for your garden or your balcony. Perfect with the beautiful Frostkiss Hellebores. I really hope you enjoy the technique. And of course, I hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.